Welcome back. We're continuing the news. You are not alone and not forgotten. That was the reminder to the people of southern St. Elizabeth as members of the RFJGLEANER group journeyed to the parish to carry out the first in a series of hurricane relief efforts. The details from Dwayne Anderson.
Operation RFJGLEANER Burial Relief. Destination Southern St. Elizabeth. Not long after our arrival, lines of residents stretched throughout the auditorium, collecting the warm meals and bags with food supplies distributed by the RGR management, on-air personalities and staff. And the soup was not the only source of warmth in Black River. Inside the operations center, RGR staff felt the heat. But undeterred, they completed the mission. No one who turned up was left out.
All right. Listen, where are my seniors? My seniors in the line. Seniors. The seniors, them there at us.
Outside, other familiar voices and faces participated in Radio Jamaica's special outside broadcast for the day, anchored by Earl Moxham, one of St. Elizabeth's own. The road to recovery for this parish will be long, a fact recognized by other stakeholders, such as the leadership at the Hampton School for Girls.
I mean, we have about 20 buildings and approximately 10 of them would have lost their roofs or would have sustained damage to the roofs. So we have much to do. Stakeholders have expressed their intent to support and have been already supporting, contributing, and we've activated our support services, insurance companies, the loss adjusters, etc., as we try to make sure that we do what is necessary.
The day's outreach did not stop with activities at the Black River High School. We journeyed into surrounding areas without electricity to share our energy supply via our broadcast unit. For several hours, wires snaked from phones and rechargeable fans, stocking up for the hours ahead. A good chance too for some of these residents to meet some of their favorite TV and radio personalities.
I think this is excellent. Excellent work by the RFJGLEANER group. You've come, you've gone on the road, you've taken it to the people, and we love it. The truth is, the damage has been extensive, spanning multiple communities. So there can't be too much help, quite frankly. And as you have seen, people have come out, people are appreciative of it, especially providing a meal with your partners, providing care packages. This is a great initiative. And more than that, I love the fact that you've gone into the communities, interacting with the people. Just seeing the support of the rest of Jamaica makes us here in St. Elizabeth feel very good.
The smiles on the faces of many residents an indicator of how grateful they were for the good company and the relief supplies. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.